Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to taste some traditional local drinks. I have selected 10 different drinks we can try today. So let's see what we have. So the first drink is Ouzo. I think everyone who has been in Greece knows this drink because it's the most common drink they give you when you go out to have a lunch or dinner. So it's like a gift from Greek people. So let's try. Actually, I have tried it before, because I have been in Greek before I came here. So Greek people offer this drink a lot, but I will give my impressions. It's white or transparent, it's the right word. It smells like licorice or anise vodka. It's strong, a lot of anise. In a restaurant I usually drink it all just to be polite, but really I personally don't like this drink much, but it's interesting. So everyone who comes in Greece should definitely try it at least once. So the next drink is local table water. You definitely need it after Ouzo. Much better. So let's see what we have next. We have another Ouzo, but this time it's Ouzo Dekaraki. It's 30%, and I have heard that local people put this inside their coffee sometimes. So let's try. Let's take a clean glass. It's hard to open these little bottles. It's not easy to open these little bottles, but I think we can handle it. Yep. So ooh, this smells like coffee. This is a good one. I really like it because it tastes like coffee, and it has a little bit vodka taste. So basically you don't need regular coffee at all. It's a liquor, so this is good. So what we have next? Next we have Rakomelo. Rakomelo is also popular in all over Greece, and if they don't offer you Ouzo in a restaurant, then they offer you Rakomelo. So it's 20%, and let's see how this tastes. As you see, glasses go bigger. I hope I won't be drunk soon. So it has a taste like cinnamon, but I definitely recommend this for tequila lovers, because it's something between tequila and vodka, but this one has a strong taste with cinnamon. It's not bad, but it's not good either for me. So, traditional table water. This is good. So, what we have next? Next we have caramel, toffee and butterscotch liquor magic. It's 21%, and locals say that they put it inside their morning coffee. I don't know, maybe it's true. So let's see. So we need a clean glass. Ooh, it's sweet. If anyone knows how Vana Tallinn tastes, this is similar to it, so it's good. You can drink it as it is. I like it. So what we have next? Let's take these little bottles first, and then let's go to the heavy stuff. This one is Nicholas Masticha, made in Rhodes, Greece. It's 21%. With this bottle I have no idea what's inside here. I can't even imagine. So let's see. Again, these little bottles don't want to open. Maybe they don't want me to drink them, because some of them are so good. So we crack the code. I hope it's not vodka. The smell is like cucumber. It's light. It's like, let's say, it's basically the same like Sprite, with a little bit of toughness, but it tastes like Sprite. A little bit of table water is healthy. It's not the easiest job in the world, tasting all the alcohol, but let's see. So, what we have next? Next we have Lemonchello. It's a liquor, lemon liquor, and it's 21%, and I think it's sweet. Let's see. Yep, those bottles doesn't open today. Just keep spinning. The color is super nice. Definitely lemon. It's not bad though, but a little bit sweet for me. So next we have a drink called Dekaraki, and this is 40%, so it's strong. And we had a guests coming here, so they got it as a gift from Costas Taverna. So let's try. It's vodka. Definitely vodka. I think it's much easier to do this video when you're drunk, so I really don't drink vodka much. I love other drinks, but it is what it is. So to our next drink, that's honey rose Rodomeli liquid honey. I think girls love it. It's 21%. It looks like a girl, so let's give it a try. It smells like honey. It seems so strong, even though it's 21% and lots of honey. I feel like I have bees in my mouth, so done. So we have 2 drinks left. So we have magic caramel, toffee, orange chocolate, the Rhodes famous butterscotch liquor. It's 21% a liquor, and I think it's similar to this magic caramel toffee we tried earlier, but it's with orange and chocolate. So let's try. They don't want to open today. Be right back. So 5 hours later I finally cracked it, and let's see. It's like whiskey. No, it's liquor. This is actually pretty good. This is my second favorite so far, so this is nice. So the last one, The last one is a gift from our friends in here, Rhodes, Timos and Maria. So they gave me this wine. So today we're going to taste it. I think it's Basiliki or something like that. It's a white dry wine. Sorry Timos, I don't speak Greek yet, but soon. So it's a wine from Greece, and it's 11.5%. So let's try. It's nice, a little bit of bitter. Not too dry and not too sweet. So Timos was right, it's a perfect drink when you eat some meat. So that's nice. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked it, and in the future I definitely do videos like this, but maybe with food or something. So see you soon. Done, finally done.